Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Asus RT-AX86U Wi-Fi 6 gaming router. So my original router is a 5-year-old Linksys AX1800, and I thought it would be a good idea to upgrade to the latest Wi-Fi 6. So to replace this router, I got myself one of these Asus RT-AX86U Wi-Fi 6 gaming router. The Asus RT-AX86U is a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 gaming router supporting AX5700 speeds. It's PS5 compatible and supports mobile gaming mode as well as the mesh Wi-Fi. It comes with a 2.5 gigabit LAN port, 4 1 gigabit LAN ports, a gaming port, and supports adaptive QoS and port forwarding. It's powered by a 1.8 GHz quad-core processor and comes with 256 meg of flash memory as well as 1 GB of DDR3 RAM. So with one of these new routers installed, I'm hoping to get some nice speeds on both my streaming and gaming. So let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Asus RT-AX86U Wi-Fi 6 gaming router. Right, let's have a look inside the box. Okay, let's have a look inside. Alright, we have a setup instruction guide, advanced Wi-Fi helper tip. We'll start off with the power cords. We have one for the UK style plug, some more power cables there for different countries. Alright, there's 3 of them there, and there's the power adapter. Yep. There's the 3 antennas for your router there, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and this is the router itself. We'll take a look at that in a sec. And we have some more VIP membership warranty and the quick startup guide. And you have one LAN cable, Cat 6. Let's take a look at the router in more detail. Okay, here's your router, and here we have the router itself. It's got some nice build quality to it. We'll start off with the LEDs. On this side, you've got the WPS LED indicator there, and you have 4 LEDs for the 1 gigabit LAN ports. On this side, we have the internet indication here. So that's the WAN port, which connects to the ISP, a 2.5 gigabit LAN port, and also a 2.4 gigahertz for the Wi-Fi and a 5 gigahertz one, and your power LED. It's got some nice red in design here, nice Asus logo at the top, and we have 3 Wi-Fi antenna connections here. Alright, on this side we have the LED on-off as well. And also on the other side we have the WPS button right here. Right, look at the back here. We have the DC power in. We have the power on off, the reset button, USB 3 ports, there's 2 of them here, which means you can plug in external hard drives, which then you can actually use it for storage. A 2.5 gigabit LAN port and the internet port for your ISP, and 4 1 gigabit LAN ports. Here is a special port called the gaming port, which allows you then to configure in the settings. All right, that's pretty much it. And this is the Asus RT-AX86U Wi-Fi 6 gaming router. Very nice. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Asus RT-AX86U Wi-Fi 6 gaming router. It offers decent speeds on both the Wi-Fi and 2.5 gigabit LAN. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.